Now, now we will talking about remote working. What developers usually get wrong in remote working in Europe?
Okay, since I have been working in, for example, last 10 years in remote, so I was head of engineering before at Jobbatical, and Jobbatical is a remote company. So some of the things, I think I have teams in Colombia and Spain, Mexico, and Philippines, India. So in that sense, one of the biggest strength of remote work is like you will get a lot of freedom to do things at your own pace, at your own time, and things like that. But one of the disadvantages is you need to have a clear handbook of how you are going to collaborate, what way you wanted to collaborate, where you need to collaborate. You need to be very, very explicit about it. Like, even if you are an introvert, you still need to, like, it is not just about doing your work. When you are actually working as a team, you need to think about team's output rather than individual's output. As an individual, you might be a great engineer, but when you are working in a team, you need to work as a team, and collaboration is the key. So you need to collaborate, collaborate in the sense code reviews and everything where you need to collaborate, knowledge sharing, you need to collaborate. So that is where many of the great engineers, when going to remote work, they struggle a lot, even though accountability is one part of it, but most of the good engineers will keep up with the accountability part. Like, they will work, do hard work, and they will incorporate smart work. But I think communication is the biggest of all. You need to over communicate a bit, and you need to make sure whatever you are communicating is concise enough and very understandable for the end user, because oftentimes the time zone differences and things like that, also, like the English language also has its own difficulty. Your English and your level of way of communicating might be different for them. So you need to be adaptive to that team environment. So that is where, in my opinion, things can go wrong. So if you figure out the communication and collaborative part of remote work, then everything else is yours. You can control. You can upskill on your coding practices and all those things. That is up to you. You can definitely make it. You just need to figure out how to communicate and collaborate. That's
So the key is communication.